Here is the video we will be creating today for free in Canva. If you are not a Canva Pro user, I will be showing you alternative ways to achieve Pro features for free. So watch all the video so you don't miss out any important points. So first thing first, when you are on the Canva dashboard, you click on video. Now you can decide to create any video of your choice. Maybe it is TikTok video, Instagram reel, any video of your choice. But today we're going to be going for the 1920 by 30 1080 pixel dimension. Then when you are here now, I want you to go to this left section and tap on the elements tab. Then you come here and you search on burger. Then you scroll down, you will see videos. As you can notice, they are for premium users. But like I said in the intro, I will be showing you alternative way to do anything that I'll be doing here for free. So you select your video. So an alternative way to have such a video, if you search here, still here on this Canva interface, if you do a thorough search, you'll notice that you'll be provided with some burgers which are free. So you can use them. These are some burgers here which are free and they are videos, so you can use them. But if you search here, you don't see what you are looking for. There are websites which offer free videos, such as this website Pixabay. I've just come here and I've searched for burger, and this is a video, and this is a video that you can still use. So you get your video, you upload it into the canvas, and let's continue. So you click on your video, you come up here where it says stream, you click on it. I want to take just the very important part, like where the burger is falling from there. Now reduce it like that. Something like that is okay. I press on done. You come on this left section, you take on text. You come to fonts, these fonts, and you search for 210. So you scroll down, this is a text, you click on it. Come now, you duplicate the text. So after that, now I want to cover most of the area, allowing mostly this tasty burger to show. So to do that, you come again to element and you search for rectangle, change the color to white. And you cover some of these areas. So as you can see now, it is very small. And based on this design, I don't want it small like this, I want it to be large. So to achieve this now, all I have to do is to export this now as a video. Then I import it back, then I enlarge it. So I'll just download it. So after it is downloaded now, I'll just upload it back. Then after uploading now, I can just come here, add page. Then I go back now and then I just delete this one. I come out to my upload section, videos, then I upload back the video. Now I can play with the size because now I can enlarge it. That's what I wanted. Something like that is okay. Now I'll add another page, add a blank page. So this time we'll be adding but an image. You come to this left section and you search burger and you select. There are many free burgers here. You select what you want to use. I'll go with this free one. Now I'm going to remove the background. You tap on it and you come to remove background and you have that. Now, if you are not a pro user, there's this website, like I said, remove background, remove.bg. That is the name of the website. You just go to that website, you can remove any background from any image. So you can just come here, you download, you come to Pixabay, you search on photos, search on burger. I just want to show you that it's very possible to do everything with Canva for a free account. So you don't necessarily need a pro account to do that. When you finally see what you are looking for, you tap on it, you come to the download section. You can download any resolution you want. For the sake of this video, I just want to download it now like this. You download it. As you can see, the license, it says that you are free to use it in any way you like, including for commercial purposes. But you can donate to the designers who are creating this thing. You can decide to donate to them. So you can download that for free. After downloading, now you come to this website. You upload it to this website. Yes. So as you see, in a matter of seconds, I have my free image now that I can download. And from here, they even have an option that you can just start creating directly with Canva. So you can just tap on this, then it takes you directly to Canva. Or you can just still decide to download it like that for free. You see, download it for free. There's nothing there. So you don't have to have a Canva Pro account. So that's what I've just gone and I've done here. When you have it now like this, you come to the background. I want to change the background color. You come to where it says background color. You select your desired color. Now on this burger, I want it to have a drop shadow. You click on it. You come to where it says edit. You click on it. You come to shadows. Then where it says drop, is a drop shadow. You click on it. Something like that is okay. Then now I want to add the text. I come to text section. I tap on it. Choose to increase the size. The fonts that I want to use. You come to search fonts and you tap and you type. That's the font I want to use. Bonking. You can decide to use any font you want. This is just my personal preference. I'm going to give my text also a drop shadow. Come to effects, shadow. You scroll down, you play a little bit with the transparency. So what I want to create now is a type of a cool text reveal effect. So I'll tap on this flavor. I'll send it to back. Then I'll send it to back like that. Then I'll change my color of this, my rectangle to and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group it. Press the hamburger, you press shift, then the rectangle, then you group. When you group now, I have to animate it. I'll tap on it, come to where it says animate. You take on this animation. Now for you to make it be on a straight line, you have to hold shift when you are drawing the line. So shift. So if you play it now, it's going to be something like this. So now I want to arrange my text also. So I'll click on it, I right click, I go to show layer. Then I tap on my text. I want to increase the text. Don't worry, you cannot see the text now, but don't worry. So you have something now like this. As you see, the text is being revealed. So what I'll do now is to right click on this and then duplicate the page. And on this next page now, I'm just going to reverse the animation for the other words. So that's just what I will do now very fast. So now if you combine the animations, you have something like this. On this next one now, I'm going to duplicate it again. Now I want to reduce the duration. I'll copy the flavor from that section, Ctrl V, paste it here. Then we're going to add another page. So on this page now, you go to again to elements and you search for circle. You scroll to where it says frames. You can choose any frame of your choice here. Come again to element. You search. When you see the video you're looking for, you add it. On the frame, on the video frame, you can double tap on it. And when you double tap on it, you can edit it. You can reduce the size. But I want where it's saying juicy bite. I want the mouth to really show. So that's why I will just highlight like this. But you can resize it, you can arrange it. Then for the time now, you come to where it says trim. I have to trim the clip. Exactly where it's biting. I'll animate it to pop. Then on the page, I'll right click and I'll duplicate the page. Then here now, I want to bring in my text. I still want to use the same font. Copy it. Paste. So now after typing my juicy, I'll take the video frame now a little bit to the right. You come on animate. You can choose any animation you want here. I'll duplicate it. I'll write the next word. I'll rotate it a little bit. So if you are enjoying the video so far, please just like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Because here we teach you how to design and we teach you how to earn money while being a designer. So this page now was too static. I've just gone in and I've animated the page because everything there was just static, and then I've removed some transitions because it was interfering with the. And now when you are done, you just come to where it says share and you download your video. Download as an MP4 and it's going to be downloaded. That's it, is downloading. So see you in the next video. Stay creative.